Now both the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro will come in 128GB and a 256GB of internal storage option. The Pixel 7 will come in 3 different colors: snow, obsidian and lemongrass colors, while the Pixel 7 Pro will come in obsidian, hazel and snow colors. Now according to Android Police, it appears that if you pre-order a Pixel 7 at Target, you will get $100 gift card. While if you're pre-ordering Pixel 7 Pro, you're gonna get a $200 gift card. Now that is super duper cool. Now if you're asking the pre-order date, then it's 6th of October and the 13th of October is the release date. Now as far as the pricing is concerned, the pricing will almost be identical to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. The new Pixels, the 7 and 7 Pro, are expected to start at $599 and $899 respectively. So if you are asking me, then the pricing could look like this for all the variants. The Pixel 7 will start at $599 for the 128GB model, $699 for the 256GB model and 8GB of RAM, and the Pixel 7 Pro will start at $899 for the 128GB 12GB of RAM variant and $999 for 12 to 56GB configuration. And only if the 512GB variant will come, then it will come with a 12GB of RAM option and $1099 price tag. Now according to Roland Quant, 512GB variant of the Pixel 7 Pro might not even arrive in any markets for that matter. So if you're thinking of grabbing a 512GB Pixel 7 Pro, I think you have to wait till Google's event or probably more leaks. So as far as the design and cameras are concerned, at that price, Google has some winners already. Only if the software experience will be smooth all around. Now for comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S22, which typically cost $799, and the S22 Ultra is priced $1,200 and up, while the S22 Plus is $999. Now Apple on the other hand has $799 iPhone 14, $999 iPhone 14 Pro, $1099 14 Pro Max, and an $899 new 14 Plus to compete. Now if you look at all those things, then yeah, the Pixel 7 Pro looks really amazing. Now another change will come with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be under the hood, where the Tensor 2 chip will reside. Now it will feature the same 2 ARM Cortex A76 cores found inside the original Tensor chip will be used again. And as for the Prime core, well again it will feature a pair of ARM Cortex X1 cores and 4 Cortex A55 cores. This is a very unusual configuration, but yeah, that works. However, the clock speed frequencies will definitely see an upgrade. Now the multi-core score on the Geekbench was 10% higher for the Pixel 7 Pro compared to Pixel 6 Pro. If that doesn't make sense to you, then yeah, it shouldn't, because again, keep this in mind, Google is focused on the faster and power-packed AI performance than anything else. So if you're thinking of a CPU and GPU improvement over the last year's Tensor chip massively, well, that's not happening because it's all about the AI here. So that's the only reason why typical specs comparison with the competitors won't really make sense. Now the Pixel 7 Pro will also feature 3D face unlock. It could feature. This is possible due to the ability of the camera sensor on both the phones to produce depth maps of the user's face, so that will allow you to have a better secure face unlock system. Also recently, Google set up a random Pixel fans to get a sneak peek of the soon to be announced Pixel 7 Pro. That video doesn't really make sense. They're not trying to show the Pixel 7 to us. Why? We've already seen the Pixel 7 Pro renders from Google itself, and on top of that we have hands-on videos or even just an unboxing video of a retail Pixel 7 Pro unit. You wanna check that video out? Well, I will link down below. So before the outro, here is a Gate Series 2 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack contains total of 14 8K wallpapers custom made for your desktops, tablets, laptops and your modern smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to get a discounted price, or you can simply visit my website joindavid.com/wallpapers to get more discounts. And not just that, you're also gonna find a lot more tech news and stuff much faster than these videos on the website. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.